The new way to cook chicken breast for dinner. Remove the core from the bread. Cut the chicken breast into small pieces. Fry the meat in vegetable oil. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add sour cream, salt, and black pepper. Mix well. Add grated cheese. Pour over the chicken breast. Mix well. Fill the bread with the mixture. Cover with onion rings. And tomato slices. Sprinkle with grated parmesan. Wrap the bread in aluminum foil. Bake for 20 minutes. Cut a carrot into thin strips. Add thinly sliced cucumbers. Finely chopped parsley, grated garlic, black sesame seeds, and white sesame seeds. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Season with salt, black pepper, paprika, brown sugar, and soy sauce. Toss the salad.